In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad creatives with AI agent on n8n. We'll start right inside n8n. Once you're signed in, head to the Workflows area. This is your main dashboard for creating, organizing, and managing automations. If you're using n8n Cloud, you'll see your workspaces and any existing workflows listed here. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your AI ad creative workflow to live, especially if you collaborate with a team. Next, open the main menu to reveal more options. Depending on your layout, this may be a menu icon in the header or the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all available sections. We're looking for the Templates section, which is where n8n provides ready-made, best practice workflows you can start from without building everything from scratch. Click Templates to enter the template library. This is a curated collection of pre-built flows, and it's especially helpful when you're exploring AI use cases. In the search bar within Templates, type Ad Creative. This will narrow the results to workflows focused on generating ad copy, visuals, or structured assets with the help of AI agents. If your initial search shows too many results, add more context words like AI or the ad platform you have in mind. You can also skim the template descriptions to see what each one produces and which services it connects to. When you find a template that matches your needs, select it and click Use. Before you confirm, take a moment to preview the nodes and read the overview. This will tell you whether the workflow drafts text only, suggests images, or integrates with specific tools. It can also indicate if any credentials or API connections are required, so you know what to expect after import. Finally, choose to import it into your cloud space. This determines where the workflow will be added in your account. Pick the correct space, confirm, and n8n will bring the template into your workflows list. Once imported, it's available for you to review and tailor adjust prompts, set variables, or hook it into your existing processes. Importing doesn't trigger any runs on its own. It simply places a working starting point in your environment, so you can safely explore and refine it before putting it into production. That's it. Open Workflows, access the menu, go to Templates, search for Ad Creative, choose a template, and click Use. Then import it into your cloud space. You're now set up with an AI-powered foundation for generating ad creatives in n8n.